Boys and girls, today we are going to learn past continuous tense. It's on Book 6, Unit 3, Superheroes, Grammar 2. We use the past continuous tense to talk about what people were doing at a given time in the past. To form the past continuous tense, we put the past tense of be before the ing form of the action word. The past tense of be are, was, and were, and the ing form of the verb is just put ing after the verb. This table gives you a more clear instruction. When the subject is he, she, it, I, just use was and the ing form of the verb. When the subject is we, you, they, use were and the ing form of the verb. Here comes first example. The boy asked the girl, "What were you doing at 7:30 last night?" And then you see from the picture, the girl was having dinner. So she answered, "I was having my dinner." Remember to add ing to the action word. Here comes example 2. The girl asked her friend about their common friend Jimmy. The girl asked, "What was Jimmy doing at 3:30 this afternoon?" And you see from the photo, the boy was reading. So her friend answered, "He was reading." Now, remember to use was for I, he, she, it, and other singular subjects. Here comes example 3. This time, the girl wants to know about Tim and his dad. She asked the question, "What were Tim and his dad doing at 11:30 this morning?" Now the subject is Tim and his dad. So we use were because there are two present. The boy answered, "They were watching TV," because the subject they, so we use were. Remember to use were for you, we, they, and other plural subjects. In this case, the plural subjects are Tim and his dad. Now in the examples with 4, we just want to know what the people were or was doing at a certain time. Now from this example, we want to know if the person is doing something at a certain time. The way to ask questions is a bit different. Let's see. Now, the boy wants to know if the girl baby was sleeping at 6:35 in the morning yesterday. So he asked the question, "Was the baby sleeping at 6:35 yesterday morning?" As you can see a tick on the photo, it means she was sleeping at that time. Let's see how the girl answered the question. Yes, she was. How about this example? Let's have a look. The boy wants to know, were the boys playing basketball at 3:35 this afternoon? As the subjects are the boys, so we use were. As you know, there's a put across. It means no. How do we answer the question? No, they weren't. Remember that weren't is the short form of were not. Here comes example 6. The girl wants to ensure if her friend Sue was studying at 10 p.m. yesterday night. So Sue make a question like this. Was Sue studying at 10 yesterday night? As the answer is not. Let's look at how the boy answered the girl. No, she wasn't. Remember, wasn't is the short form of was not. Now, here is your turn to practice. Are you ready, smart kids? Let's check it. Question number 1. Time 1:45 p.m. The action, ride his bike. Let's see the question. What was your brother doing at 1:35 yesterday afternoon? Do you know the answer? Yes. Let's check. He was riding his bike. Remember, for riding, we omit the E before we add ing. Here comes question 2. Are you ready? Okay, you have looked at the picture, the time, and the action. Here comes the question. What did it at 8:30 this morning? And the answer, he. Okay, let's check your answer. What was there doing at 8:30 this morning? He, yes, was making hot dog. You got it correct. Well done. Are you ready for question 3? Let's go. Okay, what did Ken do at 10:17 last night? The answer? Let's see. What was Ken doing at 10:11 last night? He was drinking tea. Well done, you got the answer. How about question 4? Are you ready? Let's go. Now, this time, you see the tick and the time. So, can you make the question and give the answer? Yes. Was Uncle Tim driving at 9:55 this morning? The answer is yes, he was. Easy for you. Okay, let's go to question 5. Subject, Sam. Action, draw the picture. Time, 9:10 a.m. Can you form the question? Okay, let's check the answer. Was Sam drawing a picture at 9:10 this morning? No, he was not. Or no, he wasn't. Wow, you get it correct. Good. Here comes the last question. Are you ready? Let's go. Okay, it's question 6. Again, the subject are the dogs. Action, swim. Do you know how to form the questions and answer? Good, let's see. Were the dogs swimming at 3:38 this afternoon? The answer is no, they were not. Or no, they weren't. How many questions can you answer correctly? Here comes the end of this unit. If you have any questions, you can watch the video again or ask your English teacher. See you next time. Bye-bye.